Hey guys, back with another video. Today we're doing Real Littles, and it's been a while since I did a video, but now I'm back. Okay, we have a lot of fun stuff to do. Oh, it's a what's that thing called?
Vending machine.
Vending machine, and we get those snacks from. Cool. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, we open it and okay, I'm gonna open it. First I'm gonna get, okay guys, so we have some of this and we have this. Yeah, how you get this pie out? Oh. So I had a hard time getting it out, so this is what you just do. Just push it. Some of the stuff in there, I'm just gonna finish. Which one is this? Oh yeah. Which one is this again? Oh, this one. Put this one right here, and the whipped cream. I'm gonna open the lid right there, and just put the whipped cream right there. And we got some pranks. Look on the top of the Pringles. Pringles. Now I'm gonna get some
Pot pie.
pot pie. And I got some spicy mustard. Guys, spicy mustard. Look like it has pepper on it. Yeah.
Hey, Jojo. He wanted the trash.
Okay, and I got the last one, but also we got some 3 surprises. Okay, and I started screaming. Oh, let me show you guys. And I got some ice cream. I don't know what flavor this is, but I know it's maybe is
Chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla.
oh no, told you. Okay, now I'm open surprise. Okay, let me figure out how to open this. Okay guys, we open surprise. Okay, let's see. Oh, I'm gonna do this one. It's the it's potato sauce and Shopkins. Okay, let's. What is it?
Oh, they got surprises inside the surprise?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. So let me see, is that ravioli? Give it here.
Ravioli. I love ravioli.
You didn't even know what it was. It's spaghetti and meatballs, dude.
Oh, okay. But even this is so cool. How do we make? Oh my god, I'm so impressed. Okay, I just got some spaghetti because I got 1 meatball. Yes! I love this. Even got a fork in the back.
Oh, check them out.
Okay, put that in something ravioli.
Actually, it's not ravioli. It's spaghetti and meatballs.
Oh, okay.
I thought it was ravioli. But it's all Chef Boyardee.
Oh, I got an ice cream taco sandwich. I got an ice cream taco sandwich. Oh, weak.
Hey, dude, we're recording here.
Ew.
So rude.
Good job. Yeah, please.
Dude, stick.
Okay. Oh my god. Someone ate it already.
Let me turn it this way.
Someone ate it already.
Oh, that ain't good.
Ain't good.
Bless you, Ziggy.
Delicious. Okay, my last one. I got pudding. Yeah. Okay, so open. Oh.
That's your checklist. You're here for you take all your teeth out.
Got it.
So what do you use these little toys for? Who do you play with it? Your baby dolls, your Barbies? What?
Barbies.
Well, Barbie?
This is so squishy.
Chocolate.
Oh, we also got another one with it.
Oh, they both should be chocolate because the pack says chocolate.
Bye guys, we're gonna see you later. We're going on a ride so we can get some food. Okay, wait. Can I have a Pringles or chips? Sure. And can I have a ice cream taco sandwich? Okay. Here you go. Thank you. Thank you. Bye guys. See you next time. Peace.